Hey guys, it's Jacob here from Just Jeeps. With the holiday season right around the corner, we thought it would be a good time to share with you some of our top picks for Jeep and off-road related gifts that you can share with your family, friends, or buy for yourself. All of the products in this video are made by Smittybilt. They're the ones who sponsored today's video. And first up, we have the Smittybilt Winch Accessory Kit. This winch accessory bag is the perfect gift for any off-road enthusiast. Let's open it up and take a look at what we have inside. Included in this kit is a tree saver strap, a snatch block, tow strap, chain, gloves, and D-rings, making it the complete kit for everything you need when you go off-road. Next up, we have the SMittybilt Air Deflator. This handy tool will give you the precise air pressure you need utilizing a calibrated dial with 1 psi increments. You can take the guesswork out of airing down. With the SMittybilt Air Compressor, you can make off-roading a breeze. It can inflate 50% faster than most other air compressors, obtaining its power directly from the battery with the alligator clips that are provided. Know that you're taking the most versatile gear on the trail with you when you equip your Jeep with the Smittybilt Trail Jack. The large base and adjustable connector clamp will get you out of any situation. The Smittybilt Trail Jack is constructed out of solid cast steel and finished in a durable powder-coated finish. All hardware is zinc-plated and the Smittybilt Trail Jack is rated up to a whopping 7,000 pounds. And last up, we have the Smittybilt Tailgate Table. Know that the next time you go off-road, you'll be keeping your food out of the dirt and your drinks off the rocks. This low-profile tailgate table comes equipped with 4 cup holders and a large platform so that you can keep your food high and off of the ground. Drilling is required for install, but trust me, you'll never want to take this thing off your Jeep again. So that's it, our top 5 holiday picks for this year, presented by Smittybilt. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please like, follow, and leave a comment down below. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy holidays.